Hi everyone, in today's video I will talk about long-running tasks in Claude Cowork. So, as I said, in this video I will talk about long-running tasks in Claude Cowork, and I will try to answer and explain to you how it keeps context over time. Because, as you can probably guess, some Cowork tasks aren't quick. They can take, for example, several minutes or more, because especially when you are working with files, when you are planning something and multiple steps are involved, it can be a little bit complicated. So the question is, how does it stay consistent over time? And now I will show you the example. So let's move to the Cowork here. As you can see, I'm connected to the Documents and Cloud folder because I will show you the example with the files. As you can see, I have some files right there. I have some log, some markdown files, some txt, some scripts, some even one Python file, and I will show you that on the prompt that looks like this. So let's ask the model, analyze all files in this folder, for example, summarize each one, then create a final report, for example, with insights and, for example, recommendations. So as you can see, this prompt is pretty complicated because first of all, the model has to analyze all files in the folder, and then it has to summarize each one, then it has to create the final report with insights and recommendations. And how does it work with the long-running task? This task is not that long, it will take about 30 seconds I think, but I think this is a good example because I think the longer task would be boring because we would just sit there and wait for the task to be finished. So I will run it. And first of all, how does it work? First of all, the model builds a plan, which is a global structure. Then it maintains to-dos, and then it processes files one by one. As you can see, he's creating a plan right now, and very important to say that each step is grounded in previous outputs. So this is why it is working like this. Here is the plan. First of all, scanning folder contents, then read and summarize each file, and then write final insights and recommendation report. So we have the 3-step plan. In every plan, we are doing the to-dos, so execution steps. So the execution steps is, for example, the running command, the doing something. As you can see, we are after 2 steps right now. This is, for example, the to-do. So npm list, so we are installing something because of the DOCX, because I think the report will be in the DOCX format. Now we are creating this file. This is also a to-do. As you can see, writing build report.python. Here we have the characters. And this is how the context stability over time works. First of all, model creates a plan, so the overall structure of the task stays stable. Then we have the intermediate outputs when each completed step becomes context for the next one. And I would say we have the workspace state, so files and results in our workspace act are as persistent unhorsed. So this is how it works. And what prevents the model from drifting? In long tasks, longer than this, because this task is taking about 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes at the end. In long task, model can drift or lose focus. So Cowork reduces this by structuring execution. And as I said before, this is why we are creating this plan. We are doing the step-based execution where we are explicitly doing the to-dos. We have verification steps, and we have the tool-based operations instead of pure text generation. So as you can see, we are finishing that. The report is ready. View our report here. We can click on that after the prompt will be the output will be finished. So the report is ready. You can view our report right here. So I can click on that. This is a DOCX document. As you can see, we have 4 sides, so it is pretty long. We have tables. We have a lot of information. We can close that. Now we have 3 files with content and 6 empty files, and top recommendations: clean up 6 empty files, especially delete script.ps1 as typo, duplicate, and so on. So this is how it looks like. We can now see the structure. So here we had the plan, and we can see exactly how does it work. So first of all, let me start by listing all files the user's workspace folders to understand what we are working with, and then we are doing the result. As you can see, read and summarize each file, write final insights and recommendation report, and so on. We have a lot of we can see every step what your model did, and this is how does it work. So as I said, it is doing one step, and each step is grounded in previous output. So if he did here, if he did this step, then here it is doing this step based on this output. So this is how it works, and this is how the model is able to have a good context and keep it over time. And that's all in this video. This is how it works, and if you liked it, you can leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.